Do you ever go to the store for one thing and then 25 items later you leave the store? That was me today. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It is Lydia, thanks for joining me. So today is going to be a craft video, but for my crafts I needed pipe cleaners. So I went to the store to get pipe cleaners, and I got pipe cleaners, but I got a bunch of different things as well. So I am going to show you the crafts that I have planned for Valentine's Day and the Valentine's Day week, but I also thought maybe diving into some of my stuff I got at the store would be cool too, because they may be coming up in future videos. So let's get started. In my first bag, I have got this 13 pocket file folder. This is for my business. This has nothing to do with babysitting, but it was there and I thought it was perfect time to get it. I got this cute binder. In a future video, I'm going to be doing create a babysitting binder with me, and I wanted to get a new one for the video. I have one, but I really like this pattern and style, so I grabbed it. Here are my pipe cleaners. I told you I got pipe cleaners. And those are what I went to the store for, so those are justifiable. For my babysitting bag, I got this game. It's like Trouble, but it's very small. It's a smaller version, and it will fit perfectly in my babysitting bag. So I got that. I got this for another craft. I'm not going to show you in this video, but basically for my very young kids, I'm going to cut out a heart, put it in here with a marble and some paint. I'm going to close it up, and they can shake it, and it'll come out to be like a tie-dyed heart. But that's for my younger kids, so things don't get messy. I got glitter, because when do you not need glitter? I got stamps. I don't have stamps. So when I saw them, I thought adding them to my collection for future crafts would be awesome. And somewhere in here are the stamp pads. So I could use those with kids writing letters to family members or for birthday cards, but I didn't have any, so I grabbed some. I grabbed a paint palette because I don't have one, and things get messy when you don't have one. Some modeling clay, red for Valentine's Day. And that's that in that bag. I got these canvases. There's 2 of them there for I think it was for $3. So I grabbed those. They're a perfect size for doing a craft with a kid or painting something and gifting it to somebody. So I grabbed 2 of those. I had found Old Maid and Crazy 8 card games that can also be in my babysitting bag. I had gotten expo markers for my whiteboard because we were running out. So that's not anything to do with babysitting. These wooden tile letters. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I thought they were so cute. I grabbed 2 of them. They may be a craft. I may make a game out of them. The world is my oyster, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I'm sure you guys, I'll tell you along the way when I figure it out, but I thought they were really cute. And then last but not least, oh wait, I got 2 more items. I got these little gems. I don't have any gems. I do have beads, I do have sparkles, I have everything else. I do not have gems. So I grabbed them. There's different colors in here, pink and red being the majority, so I thought perfect. It's around Valentine's Day. We could use them for some craft. And then sparkle gems that are the same white, pink, red for Valentine's Day week as well. Because I do a lot of crafts with a bunch of different kids, I want to get a variety of different things. I wanted to get multiple of things so that I could do them with everybody and I don't have to worry about running out. So that is my haul. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back to show you the cutest crafts for Valentine's Day to do with the kids. Some are for younger ages, some are for older ages. So I will be right back. Alrighty, I am back with my crafts and I got a couple of cute ones for you today. So the first one is going to be the Valentine house heart craft. And what you'll need for it is 6 popsicle sticks, some foam paper, construction paper of different colors, and some markers as well as glitter. And then also I took this folder and cut out a piece of it so that I'd have a back to glue the popsicle sticks together. So I put the popsicle sticks together on the manila folder, glued it down, cut out a heart. Look, it's just a heart upside down. So I cut out a heart, put it upside down on the roof. I put some glitter or some glue in a fancy pattern. I used my glitter box to put the heart in and I put some purple and silver glitter on. My kids have options. I'm sure you guys can do whatever color you want or have available. And then I put a little heart at the top with a chimney, a door, and some windows. So that is the Valentine's heart house craft. I'm going to make a little love bug pom-pom to go with the house. So for that craft, you're going to need foam paper, foam construction paper, a pom-pom of any color, some googly eyes, and the pipe cleaners that I got earlier. This is what I needed for the store, from the store. So, and glue, sorry. So what I'm going to do is I cut out already a heart from the foam, and those are going to be the feet of the love bug. The body of the love bug is going to be the pom-pom, so you can use pink, red, white, whatever color they want. Same with the feet. This can be white, red, pink, whatever they want as well. And then I'll take a dab of glue and I'll stick my pom-pom right on there. Boop. And then you'll want to make sure that it's stuck there good. So to make the love bug, I'm also going to put antennas on them and eyes so he can see. So he can see his beautiful house. Or she. So I just took the pipe cleaner, cut it in half, and then I'm going to take that half and fold that in half and cut it. And then those are going to be my little antennas. So I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of the antenna here. And then I'm going to go ahead, oh, that's a big antenna. I'm going to go ahead and cut it again in half one more time. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stick that in there. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other side. Okay, and we are almost done with it. This craft is so simple. I feel like all the kids would enjoy it. Then they have a little friend, a little love bug. The love bug has a house. So I need to go ahead and put some eyes on it. And I think that'll be the perfect size. I got all sorts of size of eyes in here so the kids can choose. It's not, I don't care. It's up to them. This is their craft. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some googly eyes on him. Oh no, I got glue all over his eye. Alrighty, there we go. There is my love bug. It's so cute. I think the kids would love this because it's so simple. You know, when I was little, I had a pet rock, and it was my favorite thing ever. So for them to have like a small little friend that they just play with. They can pretend that this is his house, and kids get creative really easily. Their minds just go and make up stories. So I'm sure with these two crafts, they can come up with a village or a storyline or something along that line. And I feel like they'd play with this for hours. So those are the two crafts that I wanted to show you. Some other crafts I have in mind to do with kids that I will be babysitting for before Valentine's Day. So one of my dads very sweetly told me that when their son goes to school, they make crafts for mom. I don't think he's ever had a craft to him, so from his son. So I had planned to do a craft from his son to him. And for that one, I'm going to do a thumbprint head with some thumbprint for the body. It's like kind of like a caterpillar made out of thumbprints. And at the top, it'll say, "Somebody loves you." And then I'll just say, "From so-and-so to Dad." And I think he'll really enjoy that one. I bought the magic model clay that I think I'll put thumbprints in a heart shape, and that'll dry and harden. I said this one earlier, but putting a heart piece of construction paper inside with a marble and some paint, and my younger kids can shake it around and have a lot of fun with that. Another craft I'm going to be doing with my kids is shaving cream tie-dye hearts. So on a construction paper that you cut out in the shape of a heart, on the back of it they'll write what they love about so-and-so, whether it be mom or dad or their sister or brother, whoever they want to give this heart to. They'll write why they love them on the back, and then we'll put shaving cream on a plate with some paint. I'll use a skewer stick to mix it around, and then the front of the heart I'll put on the shaving cream, and I'll pull it off and then scrape off the extra shaving cream, and then it's a tie-dye heart with the white shaving cream along with the colored paint. So there's a bunch of different ideas out there for different ages and different different interest levels too. Like if some of my kids they have sensory issues, or they're very sensitive and don't like paint on their fingers, so I won't do one of those crafts. I'll do something else. So I have plenty of ideas for Valentine's Day. If you want to know more detail about any of these crafts that I just mentioned, let me know down in the comment section below, and I can explain them a little further into detail if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.